How to uninstall Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the app. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. Now we're in this app settings. So this is the place where you can customize and make different changes in the app. Here on the bottom, there's an uninstall button. Simply tap on uninstall. Now before removing the app, make sure you have your ID and password saved for later, because when you install it, you might need it. Now make sure you want to remove it and tap on OK. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the app is completely gone from my mobile device and you're all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.